we will see. We think that we will get some good instructions from the Supreme Court, and the SIR should be done as per the Supreme Court's directives and instructions. If there is any violation, we will once again go to court and see that the Election Commission had violated the order of the Supreme Court.
First party in Tamil Nadu raise a voice against this SIR is our party. June 28th, first party, our leader expressed displeasure against this SIR. In July 4th, our executive committee meeting at Panayur, we passed a resolution against SIR. 15th resolution is against SIR. So first party in Tamil Nadu who oppose SIR is Tamil Vettri Kalagam.